I've been investing in dividends all year now for all of 2019, and in 2020 is coming up. 2-3 more weeks. In this video, I'm going to show you what I'll be investing in for 2020 when it comes to monthly dividend stocks and when it comes to just getting those dividends every single month. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Bruce Wang. Let's jump right into the portfolio and let you guys know what I am buying this week or what I've already bought this week. So for anybody who's brand new to the channel, I do a Robinhood challenge, M1 Finance challenge, and every single week I'm investing $300 into my portfolios, and sometimes I even do even more than that. I've been doing this for over a year now in the stock market, and my returns has been decent, not the best, not the worst, but there are so many different ways to invest in the stock market, and it just so happens that dividends are my thing. I'm not investing my money in growth stocks. I'm not investing my money in penny stocks. Those are all speculation plays where you don't know if the price of that stock is going to go up and down, and the only way to see a return on that is if you sell that certain stock. So whenever I invest, I'm looking to see return on that money. So the Robinhood portfolio right now is sitting at $12,443.50. This has been a pretty good year for me when it comes to total return. $1,600, 15% on the past year when it comes to returns. And if we add in all of these dividends that I've received over the months, my returns would be a lot higher. You can see a $20 dividend from AGNC right there. Keep scrolling down. The dividends are going to be less and less as I scroll down because I only started 1 year ago. So when I first started investing in dividend stocks, I didn't receive that much, but the more I invest, the more dividends I'm receiving. And eventually, I'm hoping to see over $1,000 every single month when it comes to my dividends. But that is a few years down the line. This week, I added 2 new stocks to the portfolio, which I'll be going over. But basically, my portfolio, all the stocks in my portfolio has been going sideways, and there are no really good deals. I could reinvest into those stocks in my portfolio already, but I'm looking for undervalued stocks right now. I want to get as much return before the end of the year. So the first stock that I added this week is ET Energy Transfer. I bought 17 shares of Energy Transfer. Total equity is $205. And so far, so good. My returns is already over $9. So I made a smart play here. ET Energy Transfer was very undervalued about a week ago. And I've been keeping track of this stock for probably a month now. I just, keep going back to look at it to see if it was a good buy or not. Currently, my portfolio, it has no exposure to the energy sector. So ET was a perfect fit for my portfolio. I think that my channel is really good for people just starting out, just because we have the same amount of capital that we put into the portfolios. I'm not buying thousands of dollars worth of this stock yet, but maybe eventually I will. Right now, I'm only investing a few $100s every single week, which is, I think, very doable. One other thing that I want to let you guys know is that ET is a bit riskier than a normal blue chip stock. The dividend yield for Energy Transfer is 10%, and a safer dividend yield to aim for is around 4%. The next stock that I added to the portfolio is Cisco. I believe that Cisco is going to be a dog of the Dow for 2020, so I just want to get in on Cisco as early as possible. Cisco is very undervalued at the moment, I believe. I bought 5 shares of Cisco for average cost of $44.27, and total equity right now is $220. So far, I have not seen any return on Cisco. This is a longer term play than Energy Transfer. I'm going to be investing in this stock for probably all of 2020 and maybe even longer than that. Cisco's dividend yield is around 3%, and when it comes to just overall risk factor, Cisco is a lot safer than Energy Transfer. So those are the 2 big stocks that I bought this week. And now I want to go over how I'm able to collect dividends every single month. There are 2 different ways that I'm able to do this. The first way is to just buy a stock that pays monthly dividends. Generally, stocks do not pay dividends every single month, but there are a few exceptions out there. And in my portfolio, I have about 4 or 5 different monthly paying dividend stocks, and I will share that with you in the links in the description. If you guys want to find any information about the stocks that I'm buying, everything's going to be in the links in the description. Don't worry about it. I got your back. The second way that I collect dividends every single month is that I stagger the dividend payments. So to receive a dividend every month, I want to give you an example here. If you own Pepsi, AT&T, and McDonald's, these guys are all quarterly paying dividend stocks, and they pay their dividends on different schedules. But if you own all three of these companies, you'll be able to collect dividends every single month. I think this is a great way to start getting paid out monthly when it comes to your dividends. When you invest in three different stocks, you are more diversified than if you just buy one single company. So these are the two strategies that I use, and I'm always wondering why I never see other people talk about this, or why I haven't heard about this until now. If I started this 10 years ago, I would be so much ahead of myself right now. But there are a few reasons why I think that 10 years ago it wasn't possible, mainly because these brokerages like Robinhood and M1 Finance, they just never existed. So if you are just beginning in your investment journey, you are so lucky to be young and to be able to invest with these different brokerages. All right, so moving on to the next portfolio here. This is my M1 Finance portfolio, and I love this portfolio a lot more than Robinhood just because it is so much easier to use and a lot less stressful as well. So let's take a look at the Wang Gang portfolio here. $7,661. Total gain so far is over $260, and $75 of that came from earned dividends. $188 of that came from market gains. And so far, I have a 10.5% return on my investments. So that's what I'm talking about when I was mentioning earlier in the video. Whatever I invest, I'm seeing a return on my investment. There's no speculation here. Basically, I'm not investing in any stock that is not going to give me any type of dividend. So when it comes to my monthly paying dividend stocks, a lot of those are going to be in the real estate sector. So taking a quick glance here, while Realty Income is one of my bigger positions also in my Robinhood portfolio, and LTC Properties is also in my Robinhood portfolio. So excluding those, we can see that there's Main Street Capital. This is also a monthly paying dividend stock. Stag Industrial and NRZ. This one stock is really popular among the YouTube community. For some reason, everybody who comments on my videos is always asking me to look at NRZ. Please look at NRZ. So for the year 2020, I'm going to be reinvesting into all of these dividend stocks, but mainly I'm going to be investing in all of those monthly paying dividends as well. You know, these companies, they're going to be around for a long time. Some of them might fade out, but mainly the ones that I'm investing in, I believe that they are going to be around for the long haul. And even when I'm dead and gone, I'll be able to pass on this portfolio down to my kid. My kid will most likely, they're going to be a trust fund baby. And in this last month from this portfolio, I've probably collected $17 to $15 worth of dividends, give or take a few bucks. When it comes to this portfolio, it is on the safer side than on the Robinhood portfolio, so just be aware of that. If you take a look at Toyota Motor Company, they even minused 5 cents from my portfolio. I have no idea why they did that, and then they added on another 48 cents here. So that is really strange. I've never seen that before. I'm most likely gonna contact M1 Finance to see why that happened. This is the truth, man. Dividends are a great way to earn some passive income. Dividends are a great way to make passive income, and in 2020, I'm going to be going all in when it comes to investing in the stock market. I'm not afraid of recessions or anything like that, because when the recession comes, I'm going to double down and invest even more during that time. If you guys want to see more videos from me, go check out these dividend investing videos here, real estate in videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification. I'll see you guys on the next one. I love your 3000. Bye-bye.